So today I've just made my first $100 Clickfunnels affiliate commission. So this is a special day and it's a unique moment in my journey. So what I want to do is, it's very important when I set this channel up and my blog up and I went down this new route of promoting Clickfunnels affiliate marketing, I wanted to document everything. So it's almost like, I don't know, at first I was a bit like, I can't create any content where I don't have like massive results to leverage, where I can't say, oh, look at me, look at what I've done. So it took a while for me to get to this point. So today I made my first $100 with Clickfunnels, and it's for promoting the One Funnel Away challenge, and I'm absolutely made up with it. It's a bit of a landmark moment for me, this. So I think you've got to celebrate all of the wins. So my results, when you look at the leaderboard and you look at the like affiliate commissions and stuff, in comparison to many others, I'm not even close, but that doesn't matter. I'm not in a race against anyone else. I'm in this to prove that I can do something. This is about me and what I can achieve and why I want to achieve it. So I want to put a quick video together because I want to define this moment. I want to be able to look back on this. It could be that in 12 months, this is the only sale I ever had of ClickFunnels. It could be that in 12 months, this is just like a grain of sand in comparison to the vast volumes of money that I've made through ClickFunnels. Who knows? But basically, I wanted to document my own journey with affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels in particular. Hey guys, if like me, you want to learn how to make a second income stream through affiliate marketing, then hit subscribe and the bell and you won't miss a thing. So the best part of all of this as well is because of the recent changes in the ClickFunnels affiliate program, that now grandfathers me into 40% for as long as I have that account, which is awesome. It's really good. So if you're a new ClickFunnels affiliate, you can only get 30% up until you've got 40 people signed up for you. That's for like the subscription model. You can still earn the same $100 I've just earned. If you promote the One Funnel Away challenge, that basically costs someone $100 to sign up. And what ClickFunnels do is they pass that entire $100 on to the person that recommended them. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll put a link to the One Funnel Away challenge below. If you go through the affiliate bootcamp, I think that's the best way to do it. So you sign up for the affiliate bootcamp, which is free. And then what they'll do is they'll give you the upsell. They'll try and say, well, you've signed up for the affiliate bootcamp. Why don't you sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge as well? And when they do that, you get a lot more bonuses. So if you've got any interest in affiliate marketing, you get loads of different affiliate marketing bonuses as well, like loads of like training and a book. And they basically ask some of the top ClickFunnels affiliates how they would start again from scratch. So you get access to all that material as well. So if I was going to sign up again for the One Funnel Away challenge, I'd do it through that link. So I'll put that link below and then you can get all them bonuses as well. So whereas most of their products, they now pay 30% or 40% if you were tied into the old system, which is what I am now. I'm officially tied into that 40%, so I'm really pleased with that. One Funnel Away challenge to give you the entire amount. I was listening to a podcast with Russell Brunson, and he was basically saying that it costs ClickFunnels $50-$60 every time someone signs up for that challenge, because they post out all these books, and the cost of actually running the training, and if someone's signing up not direct and through an affiliate, they're not taking any money because they give all that money out. But it's worth it to them because they know that training is so good and it can be life-changing. Like for me, it's quite a random course that you go on. They teach how to do like your storytelling, create products, create an irresistible offer, how to find your audience, how to create your first funnel, which is kind of like a web page, but it's a bit more targeted to getting leads and sales. So they teach you quite a wide array, but it's fully immersive. It's quite intense, to be honest, but it's really good. I couldn't recommend it highly enough. And at the end of it, you kind of walk away from it. I was a bit shell-shocked and bewildered of like, oh, what do I do next? What are my next steps? And it took me a while for like things to settle down. But that's because I went into it without my own business or without my own products. So people I know that have gone into it that are already self-employed or already selling their own services, they went into it and it was absolutely superb for them because they had clarity and focus. Whereas I went into it and I just knew that I think I want to do affiliate marketing. Luckily, it's tied in with when I signed up for one of my mentors in affiliate marketing as well. So I kind of had this affiliate marketing course, the One Funnel Away challenge course, and the two of them kind of Franken monster like merged together and created exactly what I needed at the time. But it has then took me a couple of months for the dust to settle to get my head around what I need to do. But yeah, I'm still figuring things out anyway, because you can tell from this. So if you want to promote the One Funnel Away challenge, you can do, and you can get $100 every time someone signs up. You've just got to apply to be a ClickFunnels affiliate. Go through the One Funnel Away challenge yourself so you know what it is that you're selling and encouraging others. And you can show, if you've got your own business or you've got your own blog, your own channel, whatever it is, you could show how the One Funnel Away challenge has kind of influenced you and helped you and solved your problems and answered some pain points that you've got. And that's probably the best way of selling it, really. Rather than doing what I'm doing now and just saying, oh, it's awesome, it's really good, it tells you how to do this, it tells you that. Be a bit more direct with exactly what it did for you and how it can do that for others as well. So it's definitely one of the best training courses I've ever been on. I would highly recommend it to anyone. But I'm going off on a tangent now. That's not what this video was about. This video was basically just to say that I've made my first $100. I've secured my 40%. I say a huge thank you to the person that bought it and the person that's kind of enabled me to do that. And it's given me this little landmark moment. So if there's anything else I can do to help them, I am always there. And if anyone else is still looking at making their first $100, all I would say is just commit. That is the one thing I've done. So there's a lot of things I could do better. There's a lot of things I'm improving. I've still got a lot of clarifying and finding the right path myself, but I have committed. I started creating videos to 100 videos in 100 days, and all I wanted to do was just basically use that immersive experience you get with a One Funnel Away challenge. I didn't want to come out of that. I wanted tunnel vision. I wanted to just create. So that's what I've done, and I'd like to think that's gone some way into enabling this. Look at my YouTube channel, I've got videos and all kinds of nonsense. But I just wanted to get into that kind of habit of creating and getting better every day. So I'm hoping this is the start of something new. I've got a few things that I'm promoting at the moment, and I feel like I'm really getting there. I've got a core product that I promote. I've got my social media in line. There's definitely areas I need to improve, but I would recommend if you're still looking for that first $100 sale, just commit, keep creating content, keep helping people, because most of this comes through helping people as well. Find the people that you align with, find the right groups, the right people, the ones that will push you along, the ones that will help you, the ones that you can help them, offer value, offer help, and just believe that you can do it. I've always been a bit of a self-doubter. I know that I'm capable, but I always have that self-doubt, that imposter syndrome. I sit there quietly because I think I don't really want to tell anyone anything. Even creating this video, I feel a bit of an idiot just sat here telling you you should do this and you should do that. I've had one sale. It's like I'm still an absolute beginner. But yeah, despite that, I also believe that you celebrate your wins, and this is a win for me. So thanks for watching. Speak to you later.